Okay, Jackson, we're going to do an activity with a decimat. This is the decimat in front of you. You'll notice I'm going to call this whole area 1, and you'll notice that that 1 is divided into 10 equal parts. What would each part be called?
A tenth.
And how would we write that as a decimal?
0.1.
Fantastic. Okay, so then I'm going to split my tenth into 10 pieces again, equal sizes. So what would each one of these smaller pieces be?
It'd be a hundredth.
And how would we write that as a decimal?
0.01.
And then we're going to do one of our hundredths into 10. What size would each of these tiny little pieces be?
It'd be a thousandth.
And how would we write that into the decimal?
0.001.
Okay. So what I'd like you to do now is we're modelling a game. We're not actually playing the game, but we're modelling the game. And the idea of the game is that we would be taking it in turns to roll your 10-sided dice that you have in your hand, I hope. And you can have your turn, so roll the dice. You've rolled a 1. You now have to decide, are you going to put it as a tenth, are you going to put it as a hundredth or a thousandth when we are trying to make the largest possible number? Where would you put your 1?
I'd put my 1 in the thousandth.
Just write it down on the bottom. Okay, so you've got a 1 in the thousandths. Now roll your dice again. So let's pretend I had my go. This time you have an 8. Where are you going to put that, as a tenth
I'm
or
going
a
to put that in the tenths.
Okay. And last roll.
8 again, and I have to put that in the hundred.
And so what's your number that you have written there?
0.881.
Fantastic. Now can you show that to me by colouring in your decimat? So what have you coloured first?
I've coloured in the 1,000th.
Okay. Next you've got to colour in
the 100th, the 800th.
You can just outline them if you like. You don't need to shade each one. You just outline the area. Yep. Perfect.
And then
Maybe just do a box around it just to show that you've covered that bit. And then what do you need to do as well?
The 800ths.
Okay.
Which would be...
Okay, so you have shown me there 0.881, which is 8 tenths, 8 hundredths and 1 thousandth. How much more would you need to make 1?
To 1, I'd need to have it'd be 1/10 to 100th and 9 thousandths.
Fantastic. And how would you write that as a number?
0.119.
Fantastic. Well done. Thank you.